As you can see, it looks like I got stuck with toilet duty.
There are two males in the house.
PETA is flattered. Not to be neglected. Walking on the toilet can be a very dirty area. Looks like you're doing a good job from here.
Cleaner that I normally use doesn't get rid of the streaks.
You may think your surfaces are clean, but if you get a black light, you may be a little surprised at what you find.
Not just be one continuous shot of my butt.
Hey guys, welcome back to Why Wait. I'm Chris.
I'm Megan.
So today we are going to be trying out some new cleaning products for the RV. A company called GABES PRIDE actually reached out to us and they wanted us to test out some of their cleaning products. Now they sent us a whole array of cleaning products for the RV. Everything from multi-surface cleaners to bathroom cleaners, window cleaners, stuff for the roof of your RV and the outside and just everything.
So basically from inside, outside, and everything in between, we should be able to get it clean.
But now today
we're just going to be focusing on the bathroom and the products that they sent us for the bathroom.
For full disclosure, we have not used any of these products yet. We have not tried them out on anything. So we are going to try them out for the first time today. And we wanted you guys to be a part of that, to see our honest reactions, to see how they work. And you guys can witness firsthand how good the products are, or hopefully are. And we'll go from there. We have a Grand Design Solitude. And anybody else with a Grand Design, if you've been to the rallies, you may have heard of GABES PRIDE. For the past few years, they've been going around to all the Grand Design rallies with their product. Now, they are a family-based company. Everything's made in the USA. They've been doing this for years, but they've always been on the industrial side. All their products have always been used in industrial, and now they're trying to switch over into the retail side. So that's one of the reasons they reached out to us. They know we had a large RV, we have kids, we have pets, and these are all things that are important to them as a family-based company because their products are eco-friendly and biodegradable and very safe and all that stuff. So we're going to give them a shot. We're going to try them out. Come along with us and let's go hit it up. Now just a heads up, while we're filming this video and we're cleaning, if you guys see anything that looks like dark curly hairs in our bathroom, it's not what you think it is. It just came from my beard, okay? We get a lot of those that may be mistaken for different kinds of hairs. Just my beard hair.
Alright, so I'm here in the bathroom. I'm ready to rock and roll. We are going to be using the window cleaner for the mirror and the bathroom cleaner. One of the things that I'm excited about is they have a scent, but it's really light. Usually I'm very scent sensitive, I guess. The usual cleaner that I use, I usually have to open the windows and turn the fans on and like get out for a few minutes just because I'll get a headache and kind of not feel so great.
Yeah, we were told that a lot of people who have issues with fragrances or kind of almost like allergic to them or strongly affected by them, that these products are usually pretty good for people that have issues with that.
I'm one of those people. So another thing about the window cleaner and mirror cleaner, window cleaner, it is, what was it? It was...
They have no ammonia,
no
alcohol, no vinegar in any of these products. And a big misconception, people think vinegar is good. It's actually not a good cleaning product. Or the bathroom cleaner is basically acidic based, but then again, all bathroom cleaners are acidic based, so no problems there. Bathroom cleaner will not harm any of the seals, and supposedly it will not affect any of the chemicals, any RV toilet chemicals. So you're safe on all accounts there. We're excited too that it's not fragrant heavy and that there's no harmful chemicals for children or pets, because that's important for us. The cleaner that we used to use, what's that called?
So what I was using was the Method bathroom cleaner. It has a peppermint scent, and that's the stuff that would basically drag me out of the bathroom. We've been itching to get in here and clean the bathroom. And we let it go a little bit longer than we normally do so that we could show you how well everything is cleaned. I mean, we have not come in here and touched anything up so that you think we're like less dirty. We just let it go a little longer than we normally would so that it would, you know, we could really show you what we are cleaning.
Yeah, and we wanted to test out the product and not have the bathroom already be sparkly clean.
All right, starting with the bathroom cleaner. So we're just gonna take a damp cloth, put a little bit on there.
It definitely said you don't have to use a lot of product.
Don't need too much, which is, a little goes a long way.
Gabe's Pride, one of their things, it said never go cheap, and if it costs a little bit more, you're getting what you pay for in quality, and then as well as the clean lasting longer, supposedly. So that's something we want to see after we clean it. By using less product, the product's going to go further and hopefully last longer. So we'll see. It does smell good, but it's not like overpowering.
It's really light.
Yeah. And one of the things when we talked to Gabe's Pride was they said, hey, you know, what does clean smell like? They would ask people, what does clean smell like? Well, you know, if it's clean, the answer should be nothing. Clean should smell like nothing. We thought that was kind of interesting because, yeah, it's kind of true.
Yeah. So one thing I'm looking forward to is that these products are supposed to last longer. The clean is supposed to last longer.
Hey, by cleaning less cleaning means you kind of make cleaning fun again.
Yeah. Hey, I'm happy to make cleaning fun again. It lost its funness a long time ago. Doing it less would make it more fun, I think. Okay. So I'm about to start on the shower. Doing the sink, I feel like maybe use a little bit too much product, and I know that we were told we don't have to use that much, but habit, I guess, maybe use more than I needed to. So I'm going to use less this time and see how that works for this whole shower. By the way, she's cleaning from the bottom, working her way up. And this is a tip that Gabe's Pride gave us to do this, believe it or not, on the outside of the RV as well. What happens is if you start from the top down, like a lot of times you think you normally would, you get what's called clean streaks. The cleaner's so good that as it kind of drips down and works its way down, it can actually leave clean streaks. So clean from the bottom first, work your way to the top, and then when you rinse top down. The cleaner that I normally use doesn't get rid of the streaks. Again, we start from the bottom up. I don't know about you, but with these glass doors, I cannot get them completely clean. The soap, the film from the soap scum, whatever you want to call it. I mean, I've tried glass cleaner, tried bathroom cleaner, they just never seem to come clean all the way. Here's the door that I've already cleaned, the one that I haven't. I can see a difference. I hope you can too. This one has that white, crusty looking film on it, and this one looks clear. But as that soap scum comes off the glass with this cleaner, the rag starts gliding a lot better.
Oh, cool.
So like it's clean glass instead of funky, scummy glass.
Okay.
It's nice. Gabe's Pride provided us with a little, kind of looks like a toothbrush.
That's on their website too.
It's on their website.
But that thing is heavy duty.
Yeah. We were just using a toothbrush to clean the dimples and the track. The tracks are clean right now because we just had to redo the caulking.
Yeah, I just resealed them, and let me tell you right now, they were disgusting, and I had to clean them before I could reseal them with some new
so they
sealant.
had to be clean.
And I used that brush right there that Gabe's Pride sent us, and no joke, that's the only thing we've used from Gabe's Pride so far was that brush, because I had to do the resealing. That's the only thing we used. I didn't even use Gabe's Pride cleaner, and that brush was 10 times better than the old toothbrush that I used to use in those tracks. So that thing is just, the bristles are longer, it's more sturdy, it's just really everything was good about it. Yeah. Yep, you can totally see the bottom of the shower right now. Pretty dirty. We have this black asphalt in this campground that just tracks all over everything. Let's tracks look great. The bottom definitely looks way better than it did. And so far, we're just not seeing those streaks on the wall like we had back here. So, as you can see, it looks like I got stuck with toilet duty. Keep making a little break here. I'm curious to try it out. I kind of want to see what it kind of feels like as I clean it. It's actually cleaning this really good. Because I have noticed this right here on the toilet, how it's somewhat kind of stained.
Discolored.
And
yeah.
I've used like Clorox like wipes before, but just going over this just real gently. That's actually just coming right off compared to, I have had to scrub with other stuff before pretty hard on those spots.
You're pretty good at this. I should hire you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I do end up doing it quite a bit. I'm actually pretty OCD about cleaning, probably actually more than Megan, so
I am not mad.
We're going to use this toilet bowl cleaner. Now, if you do go to GABES Pride on their website, they actually have like a toilet bowl swab, which is kind of like a big, nice, cushy looking head, almost like a big Q-tip. And I think that's going to work better than your average where you see like the little scrub brushes. So we're going to try this sort of like a sponge brush. You'd probably use this to clean glasses and cups out with, but we want to try to use this. I think the best technique that we're going to do, because you need water anyways, I'm going to put just a few drops of this in the water and then use this to clean around at the inside and see how that works.
Okay.
And that's it. Not even that. Get it wet. I kind of do like this little sponge thing. I think their toilet swab would actually be kind of nice. Okay, that was really clean. I didn't have to scrub that off hard at all. I didn't need a wire, I didn't need a hard bristle brush. And looks good. So we're gonna try out some of this glass cleaner, and I'm actually more interested in using this glass cleaner outside once we start doing the outside of the RV and trying out some of their cleaners. But I'm trying to get an angle here on our mirror, and you can kind of see some of the smudges and everything. We've actually had problems with the mirrors inside the camper. Again, with streaks, we haven't found anything that works great to get the streaks off our bedroom mirror. So I'm just gonna hit that up with spray, use a microfiber cloth. This actually looks really good. No streaks and no lint left behind like a paper towel would and stuff, so I'm pretty happy with that. So the last product we're gonna check out today is the multi-surface cleaner. Now, GABES Pride said this is safe and good to use on basically everything. The wood in your RV, the walls, the floors, cabinets, countertops, just, you name it. They said it's especially good on these fans, the RV hood vents, around the stove. It has a degreaser in it to cut the grease. Okay guys, if you can see this, we have a black light right now, and we are shining it on our door. And this is where the dogs come and shake and shake all their drool and slobber and whatever else. Black light, it's actually a little dangerous, but you can really see what needs to be cleaned sometimes. Oops. This hasn't been used yet, so it's never been opened yet. I'm just gonna put a couple squirts on this new rag. Oh, there we go. I'm not scrubbing hard by any means. Let's go into black light mode and see if that looks any better.
Smells good.
It does smell good.
Smells really good.
That's our first time using that one. It did have a good
Yeah.
smell. Okay, here we go. Oh wow. Okay.
Okay, what spots?
Yeah, they are totally gone. That's way better.
Nobody sees that stuff unless you turn on a black light. It just makes you feel better knowing it's gone.
That's one way. Like you said, you may not know. You may think your surfaces are clean, but if you get a black light and you go around and you start checking your walls and checking other areas, especially if you have dogs, you may be a little surprised at what you find.
We did check the walls in the bathroom, around the toilet and everything. I mean, there are two males in the house.
Pee does splatter. Walls around the toilet, not to be neglected. If you have men in your house, the walls around the toilet can be a very dirty area. So it's good to take this multi-surface cleaner. And again, to the naked eye right now, the countertops and walls may look clean, but we're gonna go ahead and use this anyways, just clean it up. And one thing I enjoyed was the smell.
Yeah, it smells great.
Yeah. Just a little bit of it. Okay, so we just finished using GABES Pride's products for the first time. You guys witnessed it. We did the bathroom. Overall first impressions?
I'm digging it.
Yeah, so far I'm digging the scent or lack thereof in a way that it's not overpowering.
Try not to fall in the toilet.
The mirror was really impressive. I'm gonna wait until I see some sun come in from our skylight to really check the streaks in the bathroom, but so far it was really good. It didn't require hard elbow grease.
No. My shower doors are cleaner than I think I've seen them.
Yeah, the track is really clean. That brush worked really nice. So this is going to be an ongoing video. This is part 1 right now. We're going to come back here in next week and we're going to do some more filming. You guys are going to see that. We're going to come back, see how the product held up. You don't have to wait a week. You have to wait about 3 seconds and we'll take you there right now. We're back in the bathroom. It's been almost 2 weeks, about a week and a half. We have not wiped anything else down or done any extra cleaning besides maybe wiping occasional hair or so out of the way, just so we don't, guys, you know, just so we don't gross you out on camera or anything like that. We have been extremely happy with the products. One of the biggest things that we've noticed, the glass doors probably look better and have held up better than any other cleaning product we've had or used before. Definitely not, I'd say almost hardly any soap scum built up on them. We've noticed that we don't have as much streaks on here. The clean just seems to be holding up a lot longer than the product we used to use, which we talked about. It was that Method brand cleaner. The fact that this product can be eco-responsible and biodegradable and not have ammonias and alcohols and everything like that, and then hold up as long as it has, that's a big bonus for us. The mirror looks great. I was really impressed with the glass cleaner, and I'll tell you right now, I have since used it on the RV windows and I'm really happy with it on that. We've actually been using the products for a while now. The other products, the multi-surface cleaners around the camper, we've been using the outside cleaner for the outside of the camper and the roof, and we've been really impressed with all the cleaners so far. We're gonna head out of the bathroom here and we're gonna touch base on some of the other products that we've been using, which we're gonna start following up in other videos to come, because since we've done the bathroom and we've been using all their products, we've actually kind of teamed up with GABES PRIDE. We're going to talk about that. So as we just touched base, we've been testing out their products, the whole line of products, for a few weeks now, and we've actually been pretty excited with a lot of them, and we're going to start making videos with the whole line of products to bring to you guys. So we've kind of partnered up with GABES PRIDE. They're a really great company. We started learning more about them, just the fact that they're a family-based company. Everything's made here in the USA. Another neat thing about GABES PRIDE is it's run by a lady named Pam and her husband Steve, and what's cool is they own a Grand Design camper as well, and they travel to all the Grand Design rallies. So if you guys are Grand Design owners and you go to the rallies, you can actually go to their website. They have a list of all the rallies that they're going to be at, so it's always kind of nice to meet up with them. They're great people. We've really enjoyed talking to them over the past few weeks. Now, what's cool about GABES PRIDE is they were in the industrial side of the cleaning products for like 50 years. Her dad actually ran the company. So as far as cleaning products go, they know what they're doing. It's not like they're a company that just started making products out of their household and started selling them and getting in the RV market. This company has been making serious industrial strength products, and now they're trying to get into the retail side of it. Now, I'm gonna have a link down below to the GABES PRIDE website where you can check out all their products, all their cleaning products, look them up, check them out, read about their stuff. Now, when you go to the checkout, if you're going to purchase some of the products, we really appreciate if you use the promo code WHYWAIT. That just lets GABES PRIDE know that, hey, we sent you there. So, you know, we're kind of doing our job too. Now, as if me and Megan needed another reason to get behind GABES PRIDE, because we already love the cleaning products so much, we found out that a portion of all their proceeds goes to the Honor Network. And if you guys don't know what that is, I'll put a link down below. Check it out. It's something we can really get behind. You may have seen the Grand Design momentum at some of the campers. It's wrapped in a huge patriotic theme. Just a really great cause to get behind. So we really liked that fact. Now make sure you guys stick around and always check out the channel. Every Sunday we have new videos coming out. In a few weeks from now, we're going to be back talking about some more GABES PRIDE cleaning products, because I want to introduce you guys to the RV Streaker, which is what I've been using on the roof and the outside of the camper. Another great product. The stuff is really awesome. You're not going to want to miss that one. Make sure, again, if you go to GABES PRIDE and you check out their website, use the promo code WHYWAIT, one word. That just helps us out. Lets GABES PRIDE know that we sent you, and we're kind of doing our job. Hey, And as always, we'll see you guys next week, hopefully. And remember, get out there, start full time, because why wait? See ya.